Today we're making hamburger patties. I like to buy hamburger in bulk when it's on sale, and it makes it really nice to have a stack of hamburger patties in the freezer to put on the grill or to thaw out and use in other recipes. It's really convenient and it's a way to stock up on hamburger when it's cheap. So the first thing I want to do is weigh out the hamburger. And I usually make about an 8-ounce hamburger patty. There we go, 8 ounces exactly. So after I have the hamburger weighed out, here's my little trick that works out really well. I just use the El Cheapo fold top sandwich bags. So I take my 8 ounces of hamburger and put it into the bag. So after I have my hamburger in the bag, I just push in on the tab and fold it over just like it was a sandwich. And I press this down to fill up every space into that bag. So there we go. And then when you're all done, you have a stack of perfectly square 8-ounce hamburger patties to put in your freezer. So whenever I want a hamburger, I just pull it out of the freezer, open it up, slap it on the grill, and I have these perfect little hamburgers that fit perfectly right on the grill. And I've been doing this for years because it works out really well and it's really convenient. So I hope this video is helpful to you. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching.